everybody, today I'm going to show you my tip over nightlight switch from Five Below. Now this is the only one that I usually brought, this one, and it still works properly. Look at this, how good this is in here. Anyway, this uses 3 AA batteries, or the included 4.5 volt, not the 4.5 volt, the USB port. You can connect to like a power bank right here, the emergency charger I brought from Dollar Tree, or the Five Below power banks. Alright, so comes with a charger, but this is not charging the battery because this is AC powered. Here's the light itself. As you can see, it's got this on and off switch, which you turn on and off the unit. It has 2 on-off switches, a regular on-off switches, and a tip on-off switch. You have a micro USB port to power this up in case this runs out of battery. On the bottom here, this is your battery compartment. This is where you change the this is where you change batteries. So without any... Alright, this notification sounds annoying, because that's disturbing me. So let me turn this guy off. Oh, and then I have low battery. That's horrible. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn this on. Turns on pretty fast. This is instant startup. If you tip it over to off, see, it does a slow fade and it turns off. If you turn this on, it turns on. Alright, to put it in DC mode, take the batteries out. Snap the battery cover shut. These batteries aside. Powered by a DC. All you have to do is plug in the micro USB port, the micro USB cable to the side, and plug it into your power bank, like I say, the emergency battery charger. That's what I'm going to say. And it powers on the whole unit. I can turn on and off the switch. If you want to use this with a power bank right here, go ahead and unplug this. Get a power bank, like all you have to say is just 26 milliamp power, 66 milliamp power. So this is either your choice. Power bank or regular AC adapter. If I switch this on, oh, power bank turns on automatically when I shut it off. See, it shuts it off. And this power bank takes a few seconds to shut the whole thing down. And then that's the only one that I've never been using this a while. So probably the LED indicator could go out, or how about turning off the switch, or letting that blue LED indicator go off. So when I turn it on, this lights up pretty bright. When I shut it off, it goes dim, and it turns off. To put it into the battery backup mode, unplug DC power line, unplug the micro USB, and put those batteries back in. As you can see, these are heavy-duty batteries. Snap it shut. When I tilt it, it turns on, and this one turns off. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video of my Five Below tilt on-off switch LED light. And also, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.